In this video, you're going to learn how easy it is to create a client app by selecting and customizing one of our pre-designed templates. And then by the end of the video, you'll be able to give your client an app that they will not only love, but will make your company more money. So let's get started. In your dashboard, click on Mobile Websites. If a domains window opens, you will first need to create a domain for your mobile URL address. Go to the Help Center now and watch the video on how to set up a Mobi address before you proceed. If you've already set up your Mobi address, click on Pages and then Create New. A new page will open. In this area, you can select from several pre-designed templates to fit your client needs. You'll also notice that you have two choices of apps for your client. One is mobile only. These app designs will look great on a mobile phone, but do not look that great on larger screens such as laptops and desktop computers. Responsive apps adjust to the size of the screen and look great on desktops, laptops, tablets, and cell phones. For that reason, let's select a template from this list. As you can see, there are numerous templates available for you to customize. They're all very easy to customize, but let's say that we're a senior grad photographer and want to create an app for our client. Start by giving your app page address a unique name. Since this is for a senior, let's call her Jenny. Let's use her first name and last initial. In the Your Page address box, type Jenny R. Now in the next box, type in her full name and year. Jenny Roberts, 2015. This box is just for your information, so you can find it in the list of other apps you create. Now, let's select one of the template designs you want to start with. Once you find a template you like, click on it and then click on Create. It will open up your Pages window. All your apps you create will be listed in this area. Click on Edit, and your Mobile Builder window will open. Okay, just a quick recap before we move on. From the dashboard, we clicked on Mobile Websites. We clicked on Pages, and then Create New. We selected a template, and now we're going to customize the template with our senior's personal information. Before I begin to customize this template for our senior, I want to point out just a couple of items that will save you time and give you a better understanding of how easy it is to make changes. Across the top right, you'll see some icons. Settings and Style I'll touch on in a moment. You'll see an icon that reads Small Screen. By clicking on this icon, it'll give you an idea of how your app will look on a cell phone or smaller screen. However, when customizing your app, stay in the large screen view, as the changes that you're going to make in the large screen will automatically be made to the smaller screen. There's only one exception to this rule, and I'll cover that shortly. Now, to the right of the screen view, we have a version icon. Clicking on this icon will allow you to save the current app version you are working on. This is really helpful if you make changes to your app and then want to revert back to a previous version. To save a version at any time, click on the Save Version icon button. Give it a name, and then click Save, and then Close. Now you can go back to this version or any version you save at any time. All of our templates are designed to provide you the option to edit them easily and quickly. Apps are built using a row, a container, and a widget. A row is the area that extends from left to right across the app. A container is like a box within the row. A widget goes inside of a container and has a special purpose, such as a text widget, an image widget, a slideshow widget, or many, many more. If you don't want a row to appear, you can delete it completely by clicking on the red X. Or you can change the order of the rows by dragging them where you want them. To do so, click on the Drag Components button, and then grab the left side of the row and drag it where you want it. Then click again on the preview mode, and you'll see the changes. Don't worry about rows and containers at this time. To customize your app for your client, we're only going to concentrate on making changes to widgets. To make changes to a widget, mouse over the widget, and then click on the wrench icon. For example, this is a picture widget. If you want to replace the placeholder for your own logo, you would click on Upload Image. A window will open, and then you can upload a logo image from your desktop by clicking on Choose Files, and then select your logo image and click Add. Once you load the image into your system, it will appear in your library. Or if you've already uploaded an image, you can find it in the account library and select it. Click on the image you want to use, and then select, and then save. Your new image will appear. Let's look at the next row in the template. Mouse over the widget box and click on the wrench icon. As you can see, this is a text widget. Simply click in the text box and an editing panel will pop up. You can then change the text, font style, and size. When finished, click on Save. The next row is a Gallery Slideshow widget. You can add your senior images here by simply clicking on the Add Slide button, and then Change Image button. You can then select images from your desktop or your library account. Once you upload your images, they will appear in your library where you can select an image and add it to the slideshow. Select each image and then click on Select, and then Save. You will now see that the image is a part of the gallery. To remove images, simply click on the red X. And when finished, click on Save. And now your new images will appear in your slideshow. The next row is a text box you can easily change. Click on the wrench icon, and then click in the text box. Enter your senior's name. This is also a great opportunity to ask your senior to provide you some personal information about her thoughts on high school, college plans, etc., and then paste it into this area. It'll further personalize the app just for your senior. The next row contains something really exciting for your senior, the Contact and Icons bar. These are quick contact links to text her, call her, email her, a link to her Facebook and Twitter page, and any other link you want to give her in this area. When she shares her app with friends and family, they simply would click on one of the icons to instantly send a text message, call her, email her, or visit her Facebook page without searching for numbers or trying to find her Facebook page online. To make changes to this widget, click on the wrench icon. A window will open. On the right-hand side, you'll see where you can enter information specific to your senior. Enter her phone number in the spot provided. If you want to change the look of the icon, click on the icon image. A window will open with pages of icons you can choose from. Select the new icon and click Save. Now you will see the icon has changed. You also have complete control over what icons you want to show on the app. If you want the icon to show, check the Active box. You can also delete a Quick Connect icon by clicking on the red X. To edit the additional icons, click on Edit, and then select the type of icon you want to edit. For example, select the SMS number option for text messaging and place your senior's cell phone number in the box. Click on Save. If you want to change the order of how the icons appear on your app, click on the up and down arrows. Remember to click Save, and you're finished. The next row is another text row like the one above. you would edit it in the same way. The next row has 2 containers in it. Each container uses a text and image widget. Click on the wrench icon. A window will open. You can change the image by clicking on it and selecting a new image either from your desktop or from the library. And to change the text, click in the text box to open up the editor. Now notice when you mouse over the Click Here text, it's underlined. That means that Click Here is a live link to an external URL. This is great to use if you want to send users to an external website or your image hosting site where friends and family members can view and purchase senior photos directly from their phone. To change the link, use your mouse to highlight it, and then click on the link icon on the toolbar. A window will open. In the URL box, enter the web address you want the link to point to. Select OK, and you're done. You can also make the entire image a live link as well. Click on the external URL, and then enter the address in the box. Click Save, and now when someone clicks on the image, it will take them to an external website. Another very cool widget is our map widget. This is especially beneficial to family members who are attending graduation ceremony but do not know where the school is located. This is another reason why family members will want to keep this app handy. To place a map within the app, it's super easy. Click on the widget icon and enter the address of the ceremony in the area provided. Next, click on the longitude and latitude link, and our system will automatically load the coordinates for you. You can also click the box to display a link which will give family members and guests turn-by-turn directions from their current location. Click Save, and you're done with the map widget. Now, the next couple of rows are all about you. This is another reason why giving your senior an app is so powerful. Not only will your senior love the app and want to share it, but when they do, they are also promoting your company to their friends and family members. The first row about you is simply an image and text widget. You would edit this widget the same way we edited the other widget and text widget above. You can upload an image and then edit the text to provide information about you and your services. The next row about you is quick connect icons to you and your company. These are identical to the icons we just customized for your senior, except this is where you would place all your information to allow friends and family members to reach you instantly. The next section is a contact form built right into the app. To edit the form, click on the wrench icon. Here you can name the form, customize the form to include the information you want to capture, change the order of the data fields, or completely delete a field if it does not apply to you. Once your form is customized the way you like it, click on Save. Okay, we're almost finished customizing our senior app. I'm going to show you one advanced bit of styling that is very easy to do and will completely change the look of your app. At the top of the page, you'll see a Style link. Click on the link. A window opens with a number of different styling options to make your app even more unique. In this area, you can change the text color, font size, font style, and numerous other options. You can also change the background of your app to show an image or just a solid color. To change the app to a solid color, click on the background button next to the color block. Then click on the block. This will open a box. Click on the down arrow. Then grab the black square at the top left and drag it to a color you like. Click on Select, and then select again. You'll now see the color indicated in the box. Scroll to the bottom and click on Save. You will now see the black background on your app. This is a great option if you want to use school colors for your senior app. To add a background image, click on the Style link again, and this time, click on the button to the right of the background image. Now click in the box. A window will open allowing you to upload your own custom background, such as an image of the school, or select from one of the images in the Common Library. To use an image from the Common Library, click on the Common tab. Locate an image you like, and then double-click on the image. You'll now see the image in the box. Click on Repeat, and then scroll down and click on Save. You'll now see the new background image. Now, do you remember me saying that when you make changes in the large screen view, it will automatically change the small screen view, and that there was only one exception to the rule? Well, this is that exception. When you make background changes in the large screen view, it does not automatically change the small screen background. To change the small screen background, click on Small Screen, and then Style. Use the same process here to change the background as you did in the large screen view. Okay, now let's finish our app. Now at the bottom of this app, you will see 3 buttons on the left: Publish, Save, and Cancel. When you are finished customizing your app, you'll need to click on the Publish button in order to view it live. The Save button is something you need to do before closing our editor, and it's a good idea to save often. Cancel allows you to close the editor without saving the changes. Also notice to the right of the Cancel button are 2 links. One is Save This Version, which is the same link I showed you at the beginning of the video, and to the right of that a link titled Convert to Template. The Convert to Template link is a real time saver. Let's say that you've created an app that you really like and have customized your contact information and the layout is perfect. Simply click on the Convert to Template link and give your template a name. This will now place your customized template into the list of the current system templates. This means that when you are ready to create a new app for your senior, you simply select your saved template and all your company changes, layout, and design will already be done for you. Okay, that's it. Now you have a customized app for your senior that they will love and will share with friends and family members. And when they do, your company and contact information is now literally in everyone's hands. Now in the next video, you're going to learn how easy it is to get the app to your senior and how they can share it with friends and family members while building you a marketing list for future promotions.